Throughout its years in service, the Striker's undergone various survivability upgrades and received kit applications designed to improve the vehicle's ability to withstand attacks. The Striker, first fielded shortly after the turn of the millennium, is an 8-wheeled all-wheel drive armored combat vehicle produced by General Dynamics Land Systems and based on the Canadian Light Armored Vehicle 3. Strikers are lighter and faster than Bradley fighting vehicles or M1 Abrams main battle tanks. They can be delivered via C-5 Galaxy, which can carry 7, C-17 Globemaster III, which can carry 4, or C-130 Hercules cargo planes, which can carry 1. The Striker family of vehicles is built on a common chassis. Some variants having different mission equipment packages. There are 18 variants, 10 flat-bottom variants that include the M1126, M1127, M1128, Fire Support Vehicle and Engineer Squad Vehicle, and an additional configuration of a modified infantry combat vehicle platform integrating a 30mm cannon. M1126 Infantry Carrier Vehicle. The basic armored personnel carrier version, which provides protected transport for 2 crew and a 9-man infantry squad and can support dismounted infantry. It weighs 19 tons. Communications include text and a map network between vehicles, models with the double V-hull upgrade known as the M1256. The M1126 Striker has a protector remote weapon station with a universal soft mount cradle which can mount either a .50 caliber M2 Browning machine gun, a .40 mm Mark 19 grenade launcher, or a .7.62 x 51 mm NATO M240 machine gun. It's also armed with 4 M6 smoke grenade launchers. M1127 Reconnaissance Vehicle. The M1127 Reconnaissance Vehicle is a wheeled armored personnel carrier in the Striker family. It's in service with the U.S. Army. A version used by reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition squadrons and battalion scouts moving throughout the battlefield to gather and transmit real-time intelligence surveillance for situational awareness. The M1127's purpose is to anticipate and avert threats, improve the brigade's decisiveness and freedom of maneuver. M1128 Mobile Gun System. The 8-wheeled Striker configuration carries a General Dynamics 105mm tank cannon in a low-profile, fully stabilized, shoot-on-the-move turret. The main gun provides direct fire and supportive infantry, and engaging stationary and mobile enemy targets such as bunkers to create a combined arms effective overmatch firepower that improves the survivability of the combat team. The 8-wheeled Striker can fire 18 rounds of 105mm main gun ammunition, 400 rounds of 50 caliber ammunition, and also equipped with M6 smoke grenade launchers. It operates with the latest command, control, communications, computers intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, C4 ISR equipment, as well as detectors for nuclear, biological and chemical weapons. The Mobile Gun System vehicle is a strengthened variant of the Light Armored Vehicle 3 compared to the standard variant other Striker vehicles are based on, but retains commonality across all vehicles in the family. The M1128 Striker was retired at the end of 2022 due in part to the expense and difficulty of maintaining and upgrading the autoloader. M1129 Mortar Carrier. The M1129 Mortar Carrier is an 8x8 wheeled armored mortar carrier of the Striker family of combat vehicles. It's in use with the United States Army. Models with the double V-hull upgrade are known as the M1252. The M1129 is fitted with an M121-120 mm mortar. It fires a full range of ammunition, including high-explosive precision-guided, dual-purpose, smoke, illumination and infrared illumination shells. This mortar fires from the mounted position within the vehicle. It fires through roof hatches that swing open at the top of the vehicle. Additionally, they carry the 81mm M252 mortar that can only be used in a dismounted capacity. M1130 Commander's Vehicle. The M1130 Striker is an armored command vehicle based on the Striker platform. It's used within the brigade to provide means to receive information, analyze and transmit data, and control forces carrying out combat missions. Models with the double V-hull upgrade are known as the M1255. The M1130 provides an operational platform for elements of command within the Striker Brigade combat team. It has the ability to access aircraft power and antenna systems to plan missions while en route aboard aircraft. M1131 Fire Support Vehicle. The M1131 of the Stryker series provides automated enhanced surveillance, target acquisition, target identification, target tracking, target designation, position location and communications functionality. Targets will be transmitted instantly to the fire support system and shooter. Models with the double V-hole upgrade are known as the M1251. M1132 Engineer Squad Vehicle. M1132 is the combat engineering variant of the Stryker wheeled armored fighting vehicle. Models with the double V-hole upgrade are known as the M1257. Its purpose is to transport and support combat engineers on the battlefield. The vehicle includes obstacle clearing and lane marking systems, as well as mine detection devices. The engineering vehicle is based on the infantry carrier. Its most distinctive feature is a mine clearance blade. It's most often towing a wheeled trailer loaded with additional equipment. The vehicle is capable of clearing mines on paved surfaces and some rubble clearance. Other mobility tasks can be completed by the mounted engineer squad with the tools on the vehicle and trailer. M1133 Medical Evacuation Vehicle. The medical evacuation vehicle are assigned from the battalion aid station for battalion-sized units and dedicated to each of the company's sized elements of the unit and provide treatment for serious injury and advanced trauma cases. Models with the double V-hole upgrade are known as the M1254. The medical evacuation vehicle is the primary ambulance platform in units equipped with the Stryker family of vehicles. M1134 Anti-Tank Guided Missile. M1134 ATGM vehicle is a U.S. anti-tank missile carrier that's an armored fighting vehicle from the Stryker family of vehicles. The M1134 purpose is to provide the brigade's main tank-killing capability, firing heavy anti-tank missiles to defeat enemy armored vehicles at range before the enemy tanks can return fire. Models with the double V-hole upgrade are known as the M1253. The General Dynamics Land Systems Remote ATGM system for tracked and wheeled infantry fighting vehicles evolved from the elevated tow system. The ATGM weapon system gives tow missile capability to today's infantry fighting vehicles. The ATGM weapon system has a two-tube launcher, an elevated mast extending half a meter above the chassis. The crew of 3 is under armor at all times. The ATGM provides maximum crew protection when operated stealthily using terrain and other structures to provide masking and protection. The ATGM weapon system, through the employment of current sighting technologies, enables the use of the family of all tow missile types. M1135 Nuclear Biological Chemical Reconnaissance Vehicle. The M1135 provides nuclear, biological, and chemical detection and surveillance for battlefield hazard visualization. This vehicle automatically integrates contamination information from detectors with input from navigation and meteorological systems, and transmits digital NBC warning messages to warn follow-on forces.